We also thought it would be really lovely to have a part of the conference that brings together the researchers and the thinkers of Africa. And I think this is going to be really important. The focus of the academic track really is about the rebirth, the reimagination, and the renewal of journalism on the African continent. So we're looking forward and we're trying to see how can we imagine ourselves into a better future. Our keynote speaker is going to be Professor Francis Nyamjok, who's an anthropologist, but he's a theorist of African media, democracy, and the politics of belonging. He's a person who often reflects very deeply on what's the present situation, what is it throwing up towards us. And I'm really looking forward to that because I think he has a take on that is beyond media, it's into the social fabric of the continent. So I think that's going to be very exciting. Then Admire Mare, who's from the Namibia University of Science and Technology, who is now a deputy head of the communications department. Admire has been doing a lot of thinking about what do these emerging digital spaces do to journalism and media. So he's going to be the key point there for emerging genres of journalism. There will be other people. We have put out a call for papers, so there will be other papers, but these are the kind of headline people. Hayes Mabwea-Zara, who's at the University of Glasgow and the editor of the book News Cultures in Africa, is going to take on the subject Emerging Shapes and Scopes of News Organizations and Emerging Work Practices. Sarah Chiumbu, Deputy Head of the School of Communication at UJ, and again, another really exciting African thinker about the digital and media, is going to tackle the subject Rethinking Journalism Curricula. Harry Dugmore, who used to be at Rhodes and now is at the University of the Sunshine Coast in Australia, and author of the recent book, Thinking Globally, Acting Locally, which is about financial sustainability, is looking at emerging business and revenue models. And then Athandiwe Saba, who's a very interesting person based at the Mail and Guardian and involved in lots of digital innovation in that newspaper, is going to look at emerging media innovation and creativity. And then we've got a whole lot of other papers that we're going to pack into that day. So that's going to be a full busy day of some very interesting thinking.